Hello and welcome to another episode of Health Hacks with me, Della, and Briony, our pharmacist from Lloyds Pharmacy. Today we'll be talking to you about VideoGP, a new service from Lloyds Pharmacy that allows you to chat to a GP in as little as 30 minutes. So Briony, can you tell us a little bit more about VideoGP?
Hi Della, absolutely. With everything that's happened in the last 18 months, we've seen many people, including our GPs, move to working online. Working from home involves many team calls, video chats and more, with GPs moving online to deliver a safe service as well. VideoGP is a service via an app that provides access to an experienced GP in as little as 30 minutes. Available from 8 AM to 8 PM, 7 days a week, VideoGP is a simple and convenient way to speak to a GP and is exactly like the appointment you'd have in person with your doctor. The only difference? It's all done via video call from the comfort of your own home, using an app on your phone.
That's great. So much has changed since 2020 and I don't really think I would have used something as easy as this before.
This is why VideoGP is a great way to be able to speak to a GP, and convenience is key here. Patients can access a GP appointment in as little as 30 minutes, 7 days a week, via an app.
Sounds great, and it's also really good for those who might be working during their local surgery's opening times.
Absolutely. VideoGP means you can speak to a registered professional quickly and easily from the comfort and convenience of your own home. Behind Lloyds Pharmacy VideoGP is a team of doctors who have years of experience working in hospitals and GP surgeries across the country, and you can choose which doctor you'd like to talk to when you book your appointment. Anyone can download and use VideoGP, provided you're over 18 and can access the app. You don't even have to leave your existing GP surgery to use the service. Also, if any medicine is prescribed, medication is included and delivered the next day at no extra cost.
Perfect. Are you able to tell me a little bit more about how it works?
Of course. So you can download the VideoGP app from the Apple App Store and Google Play. Here, you can register and complete a simple ID check, although it's worth noting that you only have to do this when you first sign up. From here, you can book and pay for your one-off appointment or set up a subscription to the service. When you're ready to book your appointment, simply log in and click the green button, Book for Peace of Mind. You'll then be taken through the steps to book your preferred time, GP, and reason for your appointment. It really is that easy.
Well, that's brilliant. So is there anything we should do before our first appointment?
So before your appointment, it's best to make sure your internet connection is good and to find a private place you're comfortable. During your consultation, you'll need to be able to speak openly about your symptoms and medical history, so it's best to find a place away from other people and behind a closed door without any interruptions or loud noises. It can be really helpful to note down any symptoms you've been having and whether you have any relevant health issues, whether past or present. You'll also want to write down any medications you've been taking. This way you won't run the risk of forgetting vital information during your appointment.
Thanks so much, Briony. And if you want to find out more about Lloyds Pharmacy VideoGP service, head on over to the App Store or LloydsPharmacy.com. See you next week for another episode of Health Hacks.